Hey everybody, Jen here of GenX Website Design and Strategy. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize the shopping cart and quantity in Squarespace by changing the color of the stroke, the fill, and the quantity, and also how to change the size of the quantity in Squarespace using a little bit of custom CSS. But before we dive into this, did you know that 85% of Squarespace websites get zero organic website traffic? It's because most Squarespace users are not doing what they need to do in order to get the traffic. In my course, Traffic Transformer, I teach you the same exact framework that I used to 60 times my website traffic and drastically improve engagement on my website, while I simultaneously stopped marketing on social media. Link below the video for more info. Go into Edit, Edit Site Header, and add elements, and make sure that cart is toggled on. Then come over to your cart and edit it. This is where you're going to choose your style. There are lots of options here. Right now, I have this one selected. This one has a stroke and a fill, as does this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. The rest of these simply have a stroke and no fill. Choose your favorite. In the Design tab, you can choose the size of your cart icon, so you can make it up to 40 pixels. But if you'll notice, the quantity does not change. So we're going to add a little custom CSS so that the quantity will be the same size as the shopping cart, or whatever size we want it to be. And you're going to notice that the color is going to match whatever color you've selected as your link color in your color theme. So if you want to change it, you have to use custom CSS, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Head on over to Pages, scroll all the way down to Website Tools and Custom CSS. Copy and paste the code below this video right here. Great. There are 3 different portions of this code. This first portion is referencing the stroke, and the stroke is essentially the outline. You want to change your hex code right here to match your brand. And this is going to be the color of the stroke of the outline of the shopping cart. If you've chosen an icon that does not have a fill, then essentially this is going to be the color of your shopping cart. I'll show you. If I change this icon to an icon that does not have a fill like this is just a stroke. Does that make sense? But that's boring. So I'm going to choose this cute little shopping bag. This portion right here is referring to the fill, and you can tell because it says fill. This says stroke, this says fill. This is where you're going to change your hex code to match your brand. I've chosen bubblegum pink. This portion right here is where you customize the color and the font size of the quantity, this big 0 right here. Put your hex code to match your brand right here, and then choose whatever size font you want. I'm going to change this to 40 because I know that my shopping bag is 40 pixels tall. And select Save. There, that looks much more prominent. I hope you guys found that helpful, and if you did, please give this video a like. Consider subscribing to my channel. Maybe share this with someone who you think could use some help with this. And remember, web design is really fun, but it's your website's job to attract and engage your target audience. And to learn more about how to do that, head on over to my blog where I share lots of free tips and strategies for attracting and engaging your target audience to your Squarespace website.